Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the maintenance levels on your DREAME X30 Ultra. To check the maintenance levels, to see the consumables like main brush or side brush, whether it needs to be cleaned already or not, how much time is left, how much of it was used, if you need to replace it, maybe the filter as well and everything. To check that, click on three dots in top right corner, accessory usage, and now you will see all the different things, and you will see, for example, sensors maintenance, and you can see in 30 hours I will need, in 30 hours of cleaning tasks, I will need to clean the sensors in order to prevent them from dust. The mop pads, as you can see, they may need to be replaced after 80 hours of work. The main brush, 300 hours before replacing. Side brush, which is 200 hours in this case, and the filter, which should be replaced every 150 hours. Once you replace any of those, you can go into that and reset the counting. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.